Hi, to enable and disable developer mode on your Xiaomi Redmi 10, you will need to go in the settings first, and here select this About Phone tab, and after that take a look at this OS version. You will need to tap on this section 7 times to enable developer mode. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now I am a developer, so to check this we will need to return back in this previous setting. Scroll till the end, select Additional Settings tab, and now we can find this section Developer Options. So go in here and now you can adjust some settings, for example enable or disable automatic system updates. And here we got this feature USB debugging as well. We can enable it, and here we got this pop-up warning. So if you enabled or disabled some of the features, now you can disable developer options at all. For that, just tap on this switcher and now this tab will disappear from additional settings. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.